Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the pagination in Instapaper. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you're done with that and you are in the home page, you can just select an article here, and after that look in the top of its right corner and press on the three dots there. And now you can just press on enable pagination, and you will be able to enable the pagination with that, and this is how it's going to look like if you enable the pagination. Now some people might prefer this format over the other, and that's perfectly fine. You can just enable it, and now every article is going to have it. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.